Hi people, I have got interesting video tutorial for you because I started using a German version of Blender. It's called Blender for Artists and it is developed by Germans. Today I wanted to show you what I was learning, not about this because I know how to use this tool. The title of tutorial is how to use the last operator, because for some reasons when I used the Boolean tool, uh, there was missing the option. I couldn't see some other options, but I found some other options related to Boolean operator. When you go to option adjust last operator, you can choose intersect difference. Let's do that once again. Unfortunately, it is inactive unless you use one of the options Boolean. Difference, swap, fast, or exact. They made some changes, people. Because normally it should be displayed in the bottom corner, because this program is little bit different than Blender, but it still has lots of possibilities. I would like to do the same towards the bevel. Cursor to selected. Let's check adjust last operator. Oh, this is actually really good. But I can still use custom bevel. I don't know why they done this, but I find it even better what it used to be before. Or you can press F6 button to check option adjust last operator. I think it seems to be even better what it used to be in previous version of Blender. Ctrl E, legacy bevel edges. It will remember settings unless you use the option called revert. I don't like this. We need to change. So my dog came to my room and it opened the door violently. Okay, you can see I made the tutorial about utility called adjust last operation. I hope you like this video tutorial because for some reasons it was missing bottom menu for application for options. But when you save, when you use option revert, this will delete previous operations. F6 and nothing will come up unless you use the same tool. And I hope you like this video tutorial, and I use environment map in Blender for Artists. But this tutorial, I won't be talking in this video tutorial about this scene world trend. Let's check in render viewport. I would like to show to you. Actually, it works really well, but this tutorial was mainly about adjust last operation utility, because this program is like Blender, but it is based on Blender 4.4.0 alpha.